Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, today is another unboxing. I had ordered some things from Walmart and Amazon. The Walmart stuff is food, but I ordered some things from Amazon. I ordered some hair clips. And those of you who may have watched the video about my bug screen that I had up out front, that we put a new one up out front, I also bought a bug zapper. Now, I had a bug zapper before. I actually had two. One of them, for some reason, just broke in here, and the other one got stolen from out front of my house. I don't know. I'm being told that someone probably broke it and moved it because it was kind of hanging down where your head might can hit it when you walk out. But I'm not putting that on anybody. Anyway, I have a new one. It's from BLACK+DECKER, and it goes by battery. I don't like it doesn't go by battery. It goes by, it shouldn't go by battery. No, this is the one that you plug into. I like the ones that you plug into the wall because the ones that's battery operated, you'll have to take it down and charge it. And I don't, once bugs get on it and all of that, I don't want it in my house charging. Once it's outside and bugs all on it, I want it to stay outside, get clean outside and everything. But I just wanted to show it because I went and bought another one. Because sometimes bugs do make their way inside the bug screen. It does help with keeping a lot of bugs out, a lot of bugs. And it helps with keeping bigger bugs out as well. So sometimes when I'm looking on my webcam, on my doorbell cam, I can see bugs flying around on the cam. So I figured I would just purchase one of these. And the cord, the cord is short. It's a short cord, but I'm going to have an extension cord attached to it anyway. And this is what it looks like. It's already assembled. And I just twisted the tray off. This, I guess, I'm thinking this is a tray that the bugs fall in. Once they fall inside, not sure. But again, this is it. And you can hang it up, which is what we're going to do. It's fairly big though. And it comes with a little brush. This is like to brush the bugs off, because once the bugs are caught on it, they kind of stick to it. And this is the little chain that goes on it for when, I guess if you want to hook it somewhere and let it hang down a little bit. I'm assuming, I guess you can use it for different things. Use it for different purposes, but I'm assuming that this is what it's for, to hang on like the top of here. I don't think we probably will need the chain part because don't want it to hang too low. The porch is already low. And for those of you that may be wondering, why does she come and show all of this stuff? I come and show it because if I can use it, somebody else could use it. I know a lot of us sit out on our porch or out back, and I know bugs is always around it everywhere. I know a lot of people use the little torch that you light up, and they probably do help with bugs, but it's a ton of bugs out here. They can't do it all. So maybe a mixture of things to keep your outdoors as bug free while you're out there as possible. But like I said, I had zappers before and they do work. They work well. And I know this is going to work extra well because now with the bug screen, when I had the zapper the first time, I didn't have the bug screen. So now that I have that whole net over my porch, with this, then yeah, it will work out perfectly. So that's what I came back to show you guys. I just wanted to show you my new toy or my new item. And I will definitely have a link to it in the description, just in case you may want to get one or two, or three or four. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Oh, and guys, a lot of times you watch these videos and you do not like. Please hit the like button. it helps my video get a little further out in the YouTube world. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.